Hey guys, we're going to go over an exciting new feature that we have. It's called single user login. What it allows you to do is to log in with one email for your cloud account and for your app account. So here on the cloud.ezlynk.com, we're going to go ahead and log in. Takes us to our home page here with all of our customers. And then we're going to go on the phone side, log in. We're going to use that same email that we used, put in our password. We get logged in. We've had a lot of questions about this in the past, being able to use the same login to work with your technician account and with your app side account. So we listened, we put that together, use that, should help you with testing. So this is going to help the technicians more than anyone else, because with their technician account they had to set up a separate account to do testing. So for you technicians, you can use your technician account, log in on your app, be able to connect to that without having to have a separate login. We appreciate you guys. Stop by for more tips and tricks later on.